Hello Internet, Yoke here, and welcome back to more Necken videos. I wanted to showcase the game and just show you what the game looks like, the current state, and well, how the game works also. So let's get started by not talking about the buy a game thing on the left side, because well, apparently I forgot to remove that part because it's supposed to be in the demo that I'm making right now, but this is the supposed full version of the game, so well, good job. And well, there's a lot of stuff to do in the menu, but let's get going. So this is the world map right now, and I've been changing focus a lot in terms of levels and game content and things like that. So right now you're playing, I'm calling it a loop, but in the game I'm calling it an area. So well, you're playing at different areas, and each area consists of different levels. So an area contains levels, and a level is what you've been seeing for these last couple of months. And let's get started. So I imagine that you'll be unlocking new areas from time to time, and just starting with area 0 and moving on to area 1, 2 and so forth, and then just not playing this area test because it should not be in the full version of the game. So some controls: use WASD to move, press space to use items on your current tile, and by holding space you're opening the craft menu. So this is what the game looks like right now, and I just realized that the microphone is way too close to the keyboard, so let me just try to fix that, because otherwise you'll be hearing my button pressing non-stop. You'll probably do that anyway, but so this is a level. This is the first level, and there's not much on it. It's kind of empty, so there's one enemy just showing you what the basic combat looks like, and it's kind of simple. So use space to just gather some trees and avoid the bird, because if you collect resources from the bird, or if it's a bird on the resource, then it will spawn a resource enemy. So it's a wooden guardian thingy that's just trying to, well, kill you because you tried to gather resource from her tree. And I'm opening the craft menu, and in here we can just create a wooden stick, and also a carved log. So we'll use this for shield and weapon. And this is the combat system, and normally each and every time you've ever seen a sword and shield in in a game, and when it's used for combat, then the shield is used for defending and the weapon is used for, well, attacking. And in this game it's a bit different, because in this game your body, your weapon and your shield, it's just different ways of attacking. So if I choose, like now I'm supposed to choose an attack, so I could either choose my body, and that will do 3 damage. You can see that on the top left side by the blood drop. So that is 3 damage. The sword will actually also do 3 damage, because if you look at the middle of the screen, there's a sword +1 on this enemy. So that means that the enemy is weak against sword. So it's kind of a rock, paper, scissors kind of deal going on. So each enemy has strengths and weaknesses, and you have to pick and choose your damage source correctly. So I choose the sword right now, so I'm doing 3 damage. You can see on the top left that the sword has taken damage, so now I have 4 charges left. This means that when I used up my last charge, the weapon will be destroyed and I have to craft a new one. And I can repair it and all that jazz, but if I use it again, all right, bad example because of the balance, but the more you use a weapon, like, or the less health is left on damage source, the body, the weapon, and the shield, the less damage it will do. So let's just move on. So this is the new level, and it's a bit bigger. There's a couple of enemies in here, not that much resources. You can still only gather wood from this level, and we'll just gather some wood because it's always nice to have. And I don't think there's anything else to see on this level. Or there's a boar, and the boar is strong against weak against body and strong against shield, so I shouldn't use my shield here. So let me just use my body. So 3 damage plus 1, and then 3 damage plus 1 again, and this should kill him if I use my body again. So there we go. Now I can eat some mushrooms to just get some health back. And again, since the damage is so low, you don't really see the damage reduction system in place when you're playing on this early stage of the game, because the damage is 3 at the most. So it won't really. I could just try to do this so you can see what's happening. All right, so the body does 3 damage right now. So oh god, he's eating a mushroom. We don't want that. So let's just find this guy. There we go. So right now the body is so damaged that you're getting damage reduction, and now I went from doing 3 damage to doing 2 damage. So there's that. And let's see, use the weapon. All right, so if I use the weapon right now, it will probably break. There's a chance that you can save it, but fuck it. All right, 1. There we go. So let's just look for some mush, and nope. All right, then we'll just move on. And welcome to the pretty screen. So this screen has not gotten any love whatsoever, and it's just a staging area for going back to the world. So let's move on to area 1. And in the area 1, we introduce a new resource, that is stone, and a new place. A place is kind of a very vague definition. A place is a set of tiles. So this place is just 1 tile, but it's the house. So in here you can get random loot or actually get damaged. So we got 3 stone. Good, good, good. So we'll just collect some resources, and should probably make a new sword. So we have the wooden stick, and costs 3 wood, and it has 4 health and 2 damage. Or we could do this one for 5 stone. It has 6 health and 4 damage. So let's just use the stone here. Can we make something else? We can make a wooden shield. Cost 20 log or tree and 5 stone. So let's do that. Probably need some more resources over here, and then also eat the mushroom. Loot the house. Got some wood. Good stuff. And here's the chest. And right now, oh, we'll just wait. We'll just kill this boar. So extra damage from body. So I'll just use my body to kill him. Got some leather because we killed him. You're using leather for this upgrade. So by upgrading the body, you'll permanently get more health. So yeah, so we just upgraded the body armor to the next level, so we got more health, like more charges, and we also got more damage for each charge. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but we have an alarm testing thing going on in the background, so I'm just hoping that you can't hear it, because that would probably ruin the recording. That would be pretty awkward. So this is the chest, and the problem right now is that the chest costs copper to open, because I don't have a key. There's no such thing as a key in the game right now, and I'm not sure if I'm keeping that. I haven't decided yet. But you can't get copper because you're playing on the area 1, and copper is introduced in area 2. So you can't actually open this chest because well, game balance. So this is another issue that I'm trying to figure out, like how am I supposed to open the chest if you can't get the resource? And I'm leaning towards actually introducing a key and having that drop somewhere or something like that, but I'm not sure. I'll try to figure that out. Let's just find the exit here. So this boar is extra big. I'm not sure if you can see it because you're probably not used to the normal size of the boar like I am. And that means that he has been eating a mushroom like this. And then he gets more health. And that's annoying. So let's just... there we go. And let's just leave the area. This is another tile that is introduced in this area, and it's the repair table. So you can repair the shield on this table. You can also repair the shield from the crafting menu. Yeah, but I can't because it's full health. God damn. All the saliva. Sorry. So from here you can repair the weapon and the shield, but each time you do that, it increases the cost. So if I repair it once, it will increase the repair cost for the next time I repair it, and it will also be based on how much health is missing. So the more damaged your resource, your weapon source, damage source has taken. So in this case 2, the sword is 2 amounts of damage broken. God. Oh, that didn't make sense. So it's based on the amount of damage it has taken already. So if it's even more broken, it will be more expensive. So let's just repair that one and leave. Could just wait for the boar to hopefully go away. Come on. There we go. Thank you, boar. And let's see if there's anything else that we need to collect. I don't think so. So there's another juicy chest, and they usually contain items that you would like. Resources, no, just lied. Weapons and shields, that's what they contain. So just took some damage from that house. That was bad. Let's just eat the mush. And this is the equivalent of the repair table. This is the anvil, and it repairs the sword. So why would you do that if you can do this from the craft menu? Well, it's more expensive from the craft menu, so it's cheaper to repair it on a tile. So that's why I would like to do that. And there's also this kind of thing, repair kit. This repair kit will also repair your damage source a bit. Not fully, just a couple of points. So this boar is a douche, because he is strong both against the body and the weapon. So you need to use the shield. There we go. Let's just look at the craft menu. What do I need? I need copper to do this. Can I get copper from this? Yeah, I can actually. So what I did right now is to create a pickaxe, or rather upgrade my pickaxe. Words today. So if I have this pickaxe, in the middle part of the left side of the screen, you can see the bar for the pickaxe, and that depletes each and every time I use it, and you use it for, well, when you activate a stone. So right now I have a chance to get copper and tin, and I kind of need copper and tin, so let's just use some of it. And now we went back to the stone pickaxe. So we'll just build that one again and try to get some more copper, because, well, copper is good. God damn. Alright. Oh, he has a lot of health. That's not good. So could open the chest, or we could craft a copper sword. Could also craft a copper shield. Could just wing it. Hopefully we'll get something good. Yeah, we got the copper shield. So it has more health and more damage. Good stuff. Let's just leave. Or just get the mushroom first and then we'll leave. Weak against sword. So there you go, buddy. And like this is kind of how the game works. You're just collecting resources, upgrading your items, and killing stuff to, well, just move on basically, and trying to get to the end of each level. You need a pop-up for that one. Okay, so again, get the pickaxe, and should get some more wood. Should probably try to find the chest as well. There's usually a chest on the level. There we go. Copper shield again. Crap. Oh, double crap. Alright, so let's try to kill this one. Oh, he has a lot of health. Use the sword. And there we go. Okay, so kind of need to upgrade the weapon. And also find mushroom. Okay, what can we do? Could buy a copper sword. So let's do that. We can also pick up the new copper shield. So we'll get fully charged. And do we want to go up there? You can see that there's an enemy up there. Yeah, we should probably do that. Oh, never mind. We'll just skip this area and move on. So right now he has a +2. So the strength and weakness thing is based on the damage that you have on your items. So the more damage you do, the more extra damage you'll do, and the other way around as well. Is there a boar on the tile next to me? God. Shit. Alright. Just... Oh, it's a hunter boar as well. Will just continue chasing me. Well, let's just... Oh, no. God damn. Alright. He doesn't have that much health, so we'll just... kill him. I need 3 more... I just forgot what the name of this resource is. Leather. Need 3 more leather. Could just try to... no. Nope. Alright, so this was the end of the area. And now I can just continue with the next one. I think this... Yeah, I did play area 1, right? Let's get a copper pickaxe. And... God, give me copper. No copper. Okay. There's some copper. And what do we get? We got a stone club. More health. Less damage. Nah. I think we're good. So... Oh, there's wood here. So this tile is the mine, and it's surrounded by rocks, so you can get some stone from it. Oh, 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 no, God. Okay, so now we're down to 2 damage on our shield, so we should kill it, and then just try to get a new shield. 5 copper. You know what? Fuck it. So in this tile, as I was saying, you can trade 5 wood for a random set of items. So I think you can get let's just try it. Oh, we got lucky. So we got the copper pickaxe from that trade. It's good. We can just use our... Oh, thanks, buddy. So for 5 copper, we got a stone that we can use as a weapon. No, thank you. Let's move on, and we need more wood. We don't need health. Oh, it's a hunter. We don't need more stone, but we do need more copper. Should probably get some tin by now. I'm not sure why I'm not getting tin. Kind of love some tin. Copper shield, already have that. So let's move on. Oh, no. Okay, so what do we do? We need... Oh, we need more copper. We really need copper and also tin. Ah, buddy. Alright. 9 leather. Another stone. Oh, well, thanks. And damage. Oh, well. Just the luck that I needed. This should repair the shield a bit. And up here we have more shield repair. Go back to stone pickaxe. Eat some mushroom, get some stone. And let's just get out of here. We didn't get anything juicy. We could just kill him with the sword. Do need to repair this one. So we could either buy a new one for 5 or repair this one for 6. Yeah. Just buy a new one. Okay, so... Oh yeah, a village. So hopefully we'll get leather. Oh, we do have a lot of leather. Why am I not using my body? Oh, there we go. So 12 leather. We can buy the hunter armor, and there we go. I should probably look this up, because I'm not sure if we can get tin. I'm not sure why we can't get tin. This is weird. I think we should get tin, but I'm not sure why we don't. Maybe a bug, maybe a game balance that I didn't think of, and well, let's just upgrade that one. And that was stone. So there's a lot of another village. There's a lot of enemies right now, and we do have a lot of stone. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's see if we can escape. Yep. Good. So the chest, we got the 10 dagger. Now we're talking. 12 health and 6 damage. So that's neat. So this is a gamble tent. So this trades a number of wood for our random resource. So we could get a lot of good stuff from here, but we need to get more wood. So let's try to get more wood. 28. Jesus. All right. Should probably save too. Then just start using the sword. And yeah, we'll just keep using the sword. More leather, sweet. And what do we need to do? We need to repair. I haven't seen any berry bushes. That's weird. They should be in the game. And by in the game, I mean it should be in this level. Oh, the hunter boar. Jesus, they are filthy. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yep. Alright, so I died because I tried to escape, and when you fail escaping, you take 1 damage from a random damage source. So my body got smashed and I died. So for me, there's a couple of things that I noticed that I need to fix. Obviously, I need to fix the tin so that you can get tin. I think that you should be able to get tin on this level, but I'm not sure. And also berry bushes, because there should be a couple of berries just lying around. I didn't find any, so I need to check that as well. Oh, and also need to fix that menu. So this is kind of where you want to be in terms of like managing your progression and things like that. And I'm not sure how I want the area screen to look or work, rather. I'm thinking about introducing crafting tiers, crafting recipes or some stuff like that, where you unlock new crafting recipes, or well, things that you can build from this menu, and by bringing resources back to this area you can actually buy them for your spare resources and things like that. And I think that would be a good way to introduce progression and replayability, because I think that's an area that I need to focus on for a while. And yeah. Okay, so that's one session of Necken gameplay. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you again next time. Goodbye.